Out here, one bad cut or one wrong line on a hill can change everything.
Timber! Oh!
And Industrial Nexus shows just how close disaster really gets.
All right, come back.
It looks simple, but even the smallest mistake can cause serious danger in an instant. What's more exhausting than a chainsaw breaking down halfway through the job? You're left stranded. It doesn't just disrupt your workflow, it also forces you to stop and fix it, turning a tough task into a time-consuming headache. Come on, Lumberjack, pull! Those tires are clawing into thick red clay, sinking deep as the engine roars and mud flies everywhere. Behind it, a monster log drags along on the chain. Drop your guess in the comments. That log dropped like a runaway missile. Respect to the guy hiking down that slope. One slip and it's game over. Pure guts, pure skill, battling gravity on a mountain that never forgives. Meet the Urban 600 Firewood Splitter, a true powerhouse equipped with a 6-way wedge and a hydraulic press. It turns massive logs into perfectly split firewood in seconds. Driven by a tractor's PTO, this setup delivers consistent pressure, high safety, and impressive production speed. Firewood made easy.
Put a pad under the jack, lift it up a bit more. Right on the sideline here.
200 years to grow 20 minutes to cut.
Goes. And walk with it.
Easy to judge from a chair, but the forest always fights back. This fully loaded truck claws its way through the mud, clutch smoking as the driver carefully balances power and patience. Then traction finally bites, and the job moves on.
Working on a big mess here. We cut a wedge in the tree. And hopefully this is a good plan. The best we can. All right, come back, come back. Never, I don't know. We just. Coming back this way in that crotch.
Baru kita ini ada limpas sungai, sungai-sungai kecil. Mudah-mudahan saja di bawah sana nanti kita tidak amblas ya. Ah, ini masalah pendek, ini ya dia boleh angkat begitu sih ya, karena pendek. Oh, terus.
if you usually only travel around in a donkey cart, you can't expect anything else. One wrong cut, and this tree decides everyone's fate.
Holy shit! Holy!
My cousin's neighbor tried to save him a few bucks on tree removal.
Graças a Deus não aconteceu foi nada.
Amid the rushing current, Penguipulli logging trucks power forward, each turn of the wheels a battle between steel, mud, and the driver's nerve. John Deere G3M skidding at work, raw power and steady traction as it hauls heavy timber through rough terrain, proving why it's a trusted workhorse in the forest.
Oh shit. Holy shit.
That flower pot idea was creative, but this thermite test proves wood is tougher than we think. Maybe a drill works better than molten metal next time.
Yeah, it might be. You want to come back with the tools up for me, man? Alright?
Just when you think the tree is done, it fights back. A fallen trunk suddenly stands up mid-cut, turning a routine job into a heart-stopping moment where nature reminds you who's really in control.
Timber! Oh, oh no! Well...
This road truly pushes vehicle handling and driver skill to the edge. The precision and control these drivers show in such conditions is nothing short of remarkable, highlighting a deep understanding of both the machine and the terrain. That wraps up today's tour of catastrophic tree cutting mistakes. If heavy machinery is your passion, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe and dive into more fail compilations right here on Industrial Nexus.